Sir Ma'am, good evening, Sir Ma'am. I, Cadet Second Lieutenant Pahitong, 3rd class. I will now reciting military professionalism and pledge of loyalty, Sir Ma'am. Sir Ma'am, military professionalism, Sir Ma'am. Men who adopt the profession of arms submit their own free will to a law of perpetual constraint of their own accord. They reject the right to live where they choose, to say what they think, to dress as they like. From the moment they become soldier, it needs but an order to settle them in this place, to move them to that, to separate from their families and dislocate their normal lives. In the word of command, they must rise, march, run, endure bad weather, go without sleep or food, be isolated in some distant post, work until they drop. They have ceased to become the master of their own fate. If they drop in their tracks, if their ashes are scattered in the four winds, that is all part and parcel of their job. Sir Ma'am, military professionalism, Sir Ma'am. Sir Ma'am, pledge of loyalty, Sir Ma'am. If you work a man, in heaven's name, work for him, speak well of him, and stand by the institution he represents. Remember, an ounce of loyalty is worth a pound of cleverness. If you must grow condemned and eternally find fault, why not resign your position? And where you were in the outside, damn to your part of this institution, do not condemn it. If you do, the first high wind that comes along will blow you away, and probably you'll never know why. Sir Ma'am, pledge of loyalty, Sir Ma'am.